This bird is so perfectly designed by nature that it almost never lands on the ground. Scientists tracked it, and what they discovered will blow your mind. This bird stayed in the air for 10 straight months, zero landing, not even once. That's the longest nonstop flight ever recorded in any bird. And here's the crazy part. It does everything while flying. It eats insects mid-air, drinks water while skimming over lakes, and even mates in the air. But wait, it gets even crazier. This bird can actually sleep while flying. It climbs to a high altitude, then glides downward and shuts off half of its brain, going into full autopilot mode. But here's its biggest weakness: the ground. Its legs are so weak that if it lands, it can barely take off again. This bird was built for just one place: the sky.